Hey everybody, Mr. Regan here, and today we're going to be looking at how to complete our class data sheets using Google Sheets, and more specifically, how we're going to use this data to help us make sense of our focus question and to help us decide which claims from Dr. Young's email make the most sense. Now, we know that our data alone is not enough to draw like ample and strong conclusions that can support our claim. But we know when we look at all of our data together, when we look at multiple people's perspectives, and more specifically, when we look at some averages for our numbers, then we can identify some patterns and we can identify how our data can support our claims and help us answer our focus question. So all you're going to need for this activity, obviously, is the Google Sheets that you see here that you'll be using, and then your data from the actual simulator. So the numbers you got for Blue 1, 4, 7, and 10. So how this is going to work is when you click on the actual Google Sheets here, it'll take you to what looks like this sheet. And you'll notice at the very bottom, we have tabs for fourth period, third period, fifth period, sixth period, ninth period, all of our classes. So you'll find your class, whatever it is. I'm going to use fifth hour as our example for today. And you'll notice that we have our 4 different australopes at the top. You'll notice that we have all of the names of the people in class and then our averages here at the bottom. What you're going to do is you're going to find your name in the list and you're just going to record your data in here. And as you do, I'm going to put in some fake numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're going to notice a few things. As the numbers go in here, folks, at the very bottom, you'll see our averages are going to change. And as people add their numbers in more over time, again, you'll notice our averages are going to start to change. So by the time we have all of our data here, we're going to be able to hopefully see some patterns that are going to help us draw some conclusions as to why and how different traits in a population become more common and why and how different traits become less common. And our class data will help us draw those conclusions. So that's how we use our data from the Amplified page to record in our group sheet using our class period tab at the very bottom, and obviously inserting our data with our specific name. If you have questions, reach out. Otherwise, good luck.